can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at some altcoins, QNT, Quant, we'll be taking a look at STX, we'll be taking a look at Immutable X, and we'll also look at the graph. We'll be taking a look at the US dollar price chart. Are we going to see that alt season pump anytime soon? How high can these altcoins pump in the coming days and the coming weeks? With sentiment down in the cryptocurrency market, should we be expecting new all-time highs for Quant, STX, Immutable X, and the graph, or should we be expecting them to further dump to gobbling town? Let's get down to business. The last 1 month has seen altcoins revive. The last 1 month have seen signs of life in the altcoin market. It has been a brutal second half of the year. We started the year on a very bright note with altcoins having an initial pump in 2024. But since March, that pump has reduced. Since March, we have seen the market turn down to gobbling town. But the last 1 month, we have seen some revival in the altcoin market. Quant is up 14%, currently trading around $72. But guys, this has been a disappointing cycle. A lot of altcoins have been hyped to have huge gains, but at the same time, we have not seen them go anywhere. Like, for example, Quant, after it was launched way back in 2018, guys, this coin had a wonderful stretch of pump from the $0.2 level where it was launched August of 2018. We saw Quant rallying to higher values and finally peaking in September of 2021. But before it peaked, it had rallied already by 164,000%, which meant $1,000 invested in Quant way back in 2018 would have returned more than $1.6 million. Those are the life-changing gains most people come to the altcoin market for. But with those huge pumps we see in the altcoin market, we also have some huge dumps along the way, and Quant is no exception. We saw it in its first full crypto bear market, losing 90+% of its value, going down. In the second crypto bear market, it lost 90% of its value, going from an all-time high of over $425, dumping to as low as $41. But that's a regular go around to the altcoin market. We see all those kind of pumps a lot of times, we see all those kind of dumps a lot of time, and then we had a very disappointing pump. That disappointing pump entered 2023. The whole market was dumping, but for some weird reasons, we saw Quant pumping. It rallied up by 426%. And so that got a lot of people excited. You know what? Maybe the next bull run will be very crazy for Quant, and that's why we're seeing a rally. But guys, Quant has been a huge disappointment. We have just seen it trade downward over the last 2 years. Right now, it's currently trading around $72. Just some weeks ago, it even got to as low as $50. But all hope is not lost. I still believe we'll still have one more push to the upside for Quant. But guys, I don't think that pump is going to take us to all-time highs. My best case scenario for Quant, from where we're currently trading around the $72 level, if the market shines very bright on us, we might see Quant get to as high as $223. This is my best case scenario. There's no guarantees. You can't carry this prediction to the bank. They are not going to cash it in. That's where I see Quant going in the coming days and the coming weeks. The altcoin season index tells us. Right now, altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin. Let's take a look at what STX is doing. STX is another altcoin that did well in this cycle. If you have been holding some STX, you have been in some sweet profit. Let's go back to 2020. We saw STX trading around the $0.05 region. At that point in time, nobody wanted to buy STX, and then it rallied to new all-time highs. By the end of the previous bull market in 2021, STX had rallied up by more than 7,000%. And with just $1,000 invested in STX in March of 2020, you got over $71,000 by November of 2021. A 71x return. But guys, again, huge pumps in the market leads to huge dumps, and in STX's full first crypto bear market, we saw it losing around 94% of its value. Huge dump. But guys, huge dump always leads to huge pumps. We have seen that countless of times in the cryptocurrency market, but nothing is guaranteed. But STX kept to all those promises, and all those investors that got in STX around the $0.2 level right here were duly rewarded. We saw STX briefly breaking to new all-time highs in March of 2024, rallying up by more than 1,800%. And right now, if you got some STX on the bottom, I'm sure you have been taking some profit. I'm sure you have taken profit over the last 6 months. But if you're expecting STX to pump to higher values, maybe we might not see new all-time highs. If we're very lucky, if we see STX having a rally, $3 will be a gift from the gods. If we see STX, that's $3. For STX to rally to $3, it has to pump around 100% from where we're currently trading. And we can get that high. The altcoin season indexes, altcoins are starting to outperform Bitcoin. And Very, very frequently in the cryptocurrency market, we see that happening. If altcoins start outperforming Bitcoin dominance will be dumping, and then we'll see altcoins pumping to higher values. I'll not be shocked to see stocks be one of those altcoins. The last 1 month has seen stocks rally up by 3.6%. On the yearly time frame, stocks is still up 233%. So I'm expecting better times for stocks in the coming days and the coming weeks. The next token we'll be looking at is Immutable X. Immutable X has had mixed reactions. We have seen it dump to Goblin Town after the 2021 bull market where it was launched. It got to as high as $9. In its first full crypto bear market, it was not spared the dump. It lost 96% of its value. But this cycle also, Immutable X has been disappointing. Huge expectations for it. It has not been able to rally to new all-time highs. We have seen it go from the $0.37 level. We have seen it rally up to as high as $3.6. That's an 866% return. That's actually a good return. We just have huge expectations in crypto. 800% return is very big, expected very huge returns. But again, the market has been declining over the last 6 months, and stocks has also declined with the market. We have seen it lose 75% of its value. That's a recurring theme in the altcoin market. A lot of altcoins are down 60, 70, some of them are even down 90% over the last 6 months. But the altcoin market has always shown that it can outperform Bitcoin, and right now we're about to see Bitcoin dominance dumping. I'll not be shocked to see the altcoin market taking off in the coming days and the coming weeks, with sentiment in the market improving. Right now, sentiment in the market is still fearful. There's still a lot of fear in the cryptocurrency market, and fear means a lot of people are still scared to commit their cash to buy some coins. But there's nothing that can get people excited like price moving to higher values, and I believe that's what we'll see in the coming days and the coming weeks. And that altcoin I have huge expectations for is the graph. Guys, the graph had a huge pump in the previous bull market. We had people making 50x their money, 40x their money. The graph got to as high as $2.7. But that's been the all-time high for the graph for over 3 years right now. We have seen the graph from that $2.7 level where it got to in 2021. Dump to Goblin Town, dumping and losing around 98% of its value. Finally found the bottom in December of 2022. It was trading around the $0.052 level. We have seen a rally, but that rally has faltered. That rally has not met up to expectations. The rally has been a 700% pump. Yes, if you got the bottom, that's actually a nice return on investment. At some point in time, we even got to an 800% pump. But guys, remember, we have seen it dump to Goblin Town. It has not set new all-time highs. The graph was still down 81% from its all-time high. So from that perspective, a lot of the graph holders are still in huge losses. And over the last 6 months, it has not performed better than the market. It has also lost 70+% of its value. So in the coming days and the coming weeks, I'll not be shocked to see the graph rally to higher values, but I don't think we'll be able to get to new all-time highs anytime soon. I think if the graph rally to the $0.35 level, we might face a lot of difficulties at that key price region. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. Are you bullish on the altcoin market just like I am? I believe these altcoins are going to see significant and price pumps in the coming days and the coming weeks. I believe we're going to see alt season happen very quickly. Which alts are you buying? Tell me about that in the comment section. Are you bullish on Quant, Start, Immutable X, or the graph? I want to hear why you're bullish on them, and do you think we'll see that wonderful altcoin season that will make everybody shouting to the moon? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.